watt-hour meter will not record the electric usage correctly. In a three-phase system, the meter measures the total energy consumed by summing the energy used on each phase. When one phase is capped off, the meter will only measure the energy used on the remaining two phases. This will result in an under-reading of the actual total energy consumed. Capping off a high leg is a code violation based on the National Electrical Code, NEC, Article 250.24. D, which states ungrounded conductors shall not be opened or grounded without removing all fuses or circuit breakers on the circuit and opening the switch if one is provided. Also, NEC Article 250.30. A3 states grounded and ungrounded conductors of a circuit shall not be separated by a switch or circuit breaker. The high leg in a three-phase system is essential for providing the 240 volts required by some appliances. Capping off the high leg can firstly make it impossible to use 240 volts appliances. Secondly, create an unbalanced load on the other two phases, potentially damaging equipment. Thirdly, increase the risk of electrical shock or fire. To correctly change from a three-phase to single-phase system, you should firstly contact the power company to disconnect and remove the three-phase service. Secondly, install a new single-phase meter base and panel. Thirdly, connect the single-phase panel to the new meter base.